Oh crap. Rainy day? Are you serious? Wait. Rainy day? You know what that means, right? You don't know what that means? Oh, never mind. That was fruity. Am I that bad at dancing?
OPE by the way the girls react when they see me, they screaming so loud that they voices crack. Just like that, she never met a jerk like I. Told me that she love it when I sport my tie with a t-shirt on like that. It's so dope. Told her why you acting thirsty, get back in your boat. Oh bitch, you wary, I'm reading on this dope beat that ain't breathing. Murdered it, buried under your knees. If I killed that track like I cut a girl weave. Got my SB skinny jeans vest in the top hat. Fit so new, Chris couldn't even rock that. Always asking how I get my wealth, cause I'm dope and a dealer, I sell myself.
If you're cute, raise your hand. Yeah. Ben, the thing about your steeds is it's great. Can't really argue like speech and debate. Grab a honey on the side, get a drink and we shake. People say that they fresh, so I keep a stale face like no. You know I got bars like soap, and you wonder why I celebrate the trees, cause I'm dope. Got my skinny jeans on, fresh shirt, matching hat. Now you know how I get more head than a fitted cap. I'm heavy headed, get up in it in a minute. I'ma get it, flip it, work it, bring it back. Now you really know I'm crack. I'ma stop it, then it starts to come back. Then Jake, with you fuck you boys, it's a rap. Look bro, I don't chase no girls and you wonder why they chase me. Cause my name is Youre, I got 4, 5 chicks and you know they all choking. They told me, little daddy, you so dumb.